have we lost? We have lost the sense of commitment and real effort in dating. Now, everything is fast, casual, and easily disposable. Now, let us look at communications and love expressions then versus now. Back then, if you like someone, you would call them on the phone, and you and that person, you would have had deep conversations. Back then, love letters were a thing, and people actually, they wrote out their feelings. Back then, you had to wait days or weeks to see each other, so time together was actually valued. Now, in 2025, texting is the main form of communication, and people can leave you unread. They don't have to read your text, they don't have to respond to you. Now, in 2025, instead of long, heartfelt letters, we will send short text and emojis. In 2025, there is so much instant gratification that people do not value the patience in love anymore. What have we lost? We have lost the deep emotional connection that comes from patience, effort, and truly getting to know someone. That is what we have lost. Let us now look at commitment and marriage then versus now. Back in the day, people got married earlier and they stayed together longer. Back in the day, divorce was rare. People would work through their problems instead of quitting. Back in the day, marriage was building a life together. It was not just a relationship goal for Instagram. Now, in 2025, many people fear relationships, and long-term commitments, they're getting rarer. In 2025, marriage rates have dropped. And now, in this era, people are now just choosing to go with the flow. In 2025, now with social media, it has made people focus on wedding aesthetics instead of marriage values.